Do you want to put a digital signature on all of your documents easily and online? I will show you how to do it. Go to Google and search for DigiSigner Free Electronic Signature. Scroll down and look for DigiSigner. Sign up for an account to preserve your documents and signature. You can use your Gmail account to sign up. When you're done, it's time to upload the document. Click Upload and select the document you want to sign. When the document is uploaded, click Sign. Place the rectangle above your name. A pop-up will appear. You can either type your signature or upload it. To upload your signature, click Upload and select the image file of your signature. Click Sign. When you're done, click Done. To download the file, click More, and then Download. Your document now has an e-signature. Note, next time you want to put an e-signature on a document, you won't need to upload your signature again. DigiSigner will save your signature for future use.
That's it. If you enjoy this content, please follow, like, and share these videos.